Hi, I'm Nettie. Today we're cooking up a comfort classic, cheesy one-pot goulash, packed with flavor and of course lots of melty cheese. Nothing fancy here, just a few simple ingredients that are going to come together perfectly. Let's start by browning our ground beef in a hot Dutch oven with a little bit of olive oil. Okay, that's nice and browned. Let's add in our chopped onion and chopped peppers. We're just going to let these cook until they soften. Let's add in a little garlic for that extra punch of flavor. Oh, the smell right now. So good. Okay, let's build this amazing sauce. A can of diced tomatoes. A can of tomato sauce. A couple cups of beef broth. Worcestershire sauce. Smoked paprika. Italian seasoning, pepper, salt, and give this a good stir. And bring it back to a good boil. Stir in 2 cups of elbow macaroni. Yes, uncooked. It's going to soak up all that flavor while it cooks. Cover it up and let it simmer until the pasta is tender. Stir it every now and then to keep it from sticking. Pasta's cooked and the sauce is thickened. It's time to bring in the cheese. Stir in a big handful to melt through. Top it off with more cheese because we're not playing around here. Cover the pot again and let it get nice and melty. I just made one of the easiest comfort foods you'll ever try. Look at that. One pot, big flavor, and oh my goodness, that cheesy top. Let's give it a try. Look at that cheese. That is so good. Hey, thanks so much for cooking out here with me today. If you give this cheesy one-pot goulash a try, drop me a comment below and let me know how you liked it. Hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time, inside or out.